Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the AI search agent using the Python. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So an AI search agent is a program that uses the artificial intelligence to search the internet, understand the results and return the relevant answers in natural language by combining a web search API like SerpAPI with a large language model like the OpenAI GPT. So we can build a smart agent that can answers your user questions based on up-to-date online content. So how it works? First of all, we have to input a question, whatever the question would be. Currently, what is the latest update on the Bitcoin? The agent uses a survey API to perform the real-time Google search. It extracts the top results, snippets, or summarize. It passes this information to LM like the GPT-4 to generate a clean natural language answer. After that, returns the result to the user. Let's do with the Python. So here we have Python, we have run the code, and this is our AI news that I'm going to search using the SERP API. Okay. So first of all, let's do the Google search with latest AI news, because in the Python code we have done latest AI news. Okay. Same results will come. Let's go with Google and answer this. Okay, so first of all, it will go with this one, artificialintelligencenews.com. So artificialintelligencenews.com. Second, that is Financial Express. If I go with this financial, this is not, this is TechCrunch. Okay, and the Financial Express link would be also there. NBC News is there. Okay, so here you can see which one, Financial Express. This is also Financial Express, and this is our KO CAI is there. Yeah, here you can see that the all means like the Google search, it will come and give us the data over this. If I go over like this link, open that link, so here you can see that this is also a link over here. Okay, so this is how it extracts the data and give you the sorted links and latest news and the photos regarding this one. Okay, you can also use this to make your chatbot and answer the questions accordingly. Okay, so here we have the code for that one. So this is the code, and we require the query API key. So make sure you have to just go with this one and generate the API key. So make sure we have 100 searches per month, so make sure you have to utilize accordingly. Okay, so you have to go with the params query API key and the engine, that is Google. So and here here we have the request we have to generate with the API params we have to send, and then response we are going to return the title, link. Okay, and organic results we are going to find. Okay, so move this part outside this function. So just call this search one and just call this one. Okay, so this is how you can use that one and create your chatbot. No chatbot, AI agent. Okay, so explore this one, and if you have any feedback, just do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.